By the end of the video, we'll know about Pike push-up workout women. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic workout that will help you improve your upper body strength, the Pike push-up workout. So let's get started. Maximize your gains with Diametize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder. With quality ingredients and delicious flavors, fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. First, find a pipe in your house and place it on the ground. Then, position your hands wider than shoulder width apart on the pipe. This variation provides added stability and resistance, making it harder than a regular push-up. Next, lower down until your chest touches the pipe. Make sure to keep your core tight and maintain a straight line from your head to toes throughout the entire movement. As you get stronger, try adding weight with plates or holding something in your hands for extra resistance. Now, let's break down the rep scheme. 10 reps of wide grip push-ups. Take a 30-second break to rest if needed, and then move on to 8 reps of standard grip push-ups. After another 30 seconds of rest, complete 6 reps of close grip push-ups. Finish with a 4-rep set of diamond push-ups as your final exercise. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. That's it for today. By incorporating this Pike push-up workout into your routine, you'll soon see improvements in your upper body strength and overall fitness levels. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more amazing workout tips and routines. Until next time, stay strong and stay fit.